This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the release catch, then fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support strut from the front panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The engine oil level dipstick is often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of oil a little at a time, frequently checking the level on the dipstick until it reaches the maximum mark. Do not overfill. When the level is correct, securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank is located in the center of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum levels are indicated on the side of the tank. If topping up is necessary, slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum fluid levels are indicated on the side of the reservoir. If topping up is necessary, wipe clean the area around the top of the reservoir. Unscrew the filler cap, then add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. With the engine turned off and the wheels straight ahead, the fluid level can be viewed through the side of the reservoir and should be between the minimum and maximum marks with the engine cold. If topping up is necessary, wipe clean the area around the filler cap, then unscrew it. Add the correct grade of fluid to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash fluid reservoir filler cap is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Pull open the filler cap and add a mixture of water and screen wash additive. With the reservoir full, firmly close the filler cap. Disengage the support strut from the bonnet underside and clip it back into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.